Hello student teachers. This video is based on a request. I'm sharing the lesson plan I used during my teaching practice when I was a B.Ed student teacher. Name of the school, name of the student teacher, name of the guide teacher, class, subject, duration, date, topic, unit, teaching aids. So, as usual, when you begin the lesson plan, we need to specify the general objective and the specific objectives. Here, it is divided into 3 columns. One is the content, teaching learning process, and then the evaluation. So, the first step is motivation. The teacher motivates the pupils by telling the pupils a story. The teacher uses suitable flashcards while narrating the story. Then the teacher takes the flashcards and holds it up. She draws the attention of the pupils to the phrases written on the flashcard. Thus, the teacher raises simple questions and introduces the topic idioms. So, what actually I will be doing, I've written it here, and parallelly I've also showed the teaching aid. Now this is just a miniature version. The ones used in class would have been bigger in size. So have the heart. This was have the face. Put one's foot down and got into hot water. Yes. So now here evaluation, can you read the phrases? So when I showed the flashcard, I asked the students to read the phrase. Can you guess the meaning of the phrases? So I would have engaged in a short conversation with the particular student or the group of students who read the flashcards. And from the conversation itself, I introduced the topic. So step 1 is over. Step 2, presentation. The teacher explains the following. So here the explanation of what an idiom is given, and then we also tell them that there are some common idioms formed with the words animals, parts of the body, trees, clothes, colors, weather, etc. Next, the teacher uses flashcards and a folder to teach the idioms. She also explains how to use the idioms in sentences. The teacher uses objects when required. Here, can you name the object? Can you guess the idiom? So maybe I would have used some real objects in class and I would have developed conversations with the students so that they could at least make a guess of the phrase. The third part is comparison. Here the teacher dictates a few idioms that have similar meaning. Here, to give someone the cold shoulder, to turn a deaf ear, tooth and nail, work, heart and soul. I've also given the meaning in bracket, which means here again I would have engaged in explaining the difference between each phrase here. The teacher encourages the pupils to guess the meaning of the idioms. Then the teacher dictates the meanings. So that's step 3. Step 4 is the recapitulation. Here the teacher displays a chart. The pupils are asked to read the idioms and to say the meanings. The teacher corrects them whenever required. Here, this is a miniature of the chart. I used a chart of a normal size, regular size, but here it's a small version, just maybe about 4 centimeter or so. And I've pictured the idiom, your crocodile tears. I've drawn the crocodile and of course the tears dropping, to be all ears, a feather in one's hat, and feel like fish out of water. So evaluation, I did not ask any question because I was giving the recap. And next is assignment, the last step. The pupils are asked to learn the idioms given. And then you have the signature of the student teacher, signature of the guide teacher, and signature of the lecturer. So this will be signed only when you have your teachers, your professors visiting your class and when they sit to observe your teaching practice. If they come, they will go through your lesson and they will sign here. If they don't, That means they haven't come.